worksheet, you'll apply the skills you learned in the last assignment to a real-world problem. Earlier in the quarter, we talked about how much money you earn. Let's go back to that situation. So imagine you earn $8 per hour. We can find our earnings by multiplying the hours worked times the hourly wage. So if we go over to the table, imagine you work just 1 hour. How much money did you earn? That's 1 hour times $8 per hour equals $8. If you work 2 hours, we'll find our earnings by taking 2 times 8 for 16. For 3 hours, 3 times 8 equals $24. And finally, for 4 hours, 4 times 8 equals 32. Now, looking at that pattern, I want us to next determine if it's linear. Remember, a linear pattern has a constant rate of change. That means we're going to find the difference between 2 hours and 1 hour. So for 2 hours, I earned $16 minus 1 hour was $8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. That's a difference of $8. Now let's find the amount earned for 3 hours minus the amount earned for 2 hours. For 3 hours, I earned $24. For 2 hours, I earned $16. 24 minus 16 is a difference of 8. And finally, for 4 hours minus 3 hours, 32 minus 24 is a difference of 8. It's a constant rate of change. This means it is a linear pattern. Another way we can tell if a pattern is linear is by graphing it. I'll demonstrate this in a minute. First, let's look at the directions. We're going to use a website from Schroeder.org. You're going to type the information as pairs into the data box. We want to make sure that we have auto scale clicked and that we're going to connect. And then after we make our graph, you're going to need to take a screenshot. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, please contact your teacher. I have now opened the website. There will be a link for this in the assignment. I'm starting to type in the data points as pairs. So 1 hour earned $8, 2 hours earned 16, 3 hours, so 3, 24, enter, 4, 32. I want to make sure that I have auto scale, that mine are connected. If you like lines, you can hit grid lines. And then we want to plot and update. Okay. Notice the graph makes a straight line. That tells us that it's linear. You'll need to take a screenshot of this, but don't close the window yet. You'll use it later in your assignment.